This is the assignment for week 2. We will be deleting and recreating the database. So first things first, we're going to go to render. And once we're here in render, we're going to go to the very bottom and we're going to delete our database. And what we will do is that we will copy this. And now we're going to copy and paste it here. And that will delete our database. Since we're already here on this page, where it's currently displaying new, we're going to click there. And what we're going to do is we're going to create the new database, and we're going to choose PostgreSQL. Okay. Now we got to give it a unique name, and it cannot be the same exact as the one before. So I will create CSE340wk2. Hopefully we'll accept it. We'll see in a minute. And I will copy it and paste it twice. So it will be the same thing for database and for user. And now we're going to choose the region. The closest region to us will be East. Okay. And now we're going to go here to the bottom, leave everything else the same, and just choose free and create a database. Okay, so now it's creating it, and this is going to take a few seconds. When it says that's available, we should be able to see the source number. It should be 0.000/0. And then should be almost done. And once it's done, we're going to copy the external database. There you go. It's available. Okay. Perfect. So now let's copy the database, external database. And we're going to go to pgadmin. Once you're in pgadmin, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the server. And we're going to say yes. And now we're going to register. And we'll choose server. For the name, we can give it render. And then now we're going to choose connection. And once in connection, we're going to paste the URL of the database. But here we're going to delete some information. Let's see. Okay, perfect. I was worrying a little bit, so we're going to delete this area. And at the back here, starting from the /, we're going to delete this area also. And let's delete. And that's what should be displaying right now. So now that that's removed, we're going to also copy password. So let's copy the password. Copy, and we're going to keep track of these two names, and we're going to carry them over here as well. So let's go ahead and paste our password here. And let's say save password. Now for the copy this. And this is going to go in our maintenance database. And this is going to be copied for our username. There you go. Okay, so since we already pasted the password and we click on the save password and we have everything else, now we can go to parameters and we're going to choose the SSL mode and change it to required. And we can hit save. Okay, so now that it should connect, the database should connect, and let's expand the database. Now we should see the schema, and we're gonna go and see what's going on here. So it shouldn't have anything yet. There's no types, there's no tables. So, okay, everything needs to be recreated. So now we're gonna go on, click here, and we're going to choose our SQL file where everything's going to be copied. It's been copied now. Let's go back to pgadmin. Now that it's been copied, we're going to go back. And let's see. We're going to find public and we're going to go under schemas. There you go. So we're going to go to public. And we're going to right click and select query. Now that we're here, this is where we're going to paste the information. So we're going to paste it and we're going to execute. Oh, okay. So it says, I know why this happening because I forgot to update this right here with the number 1. So now that we have updated with the number 1, let's update it here also. Let's go back here. I forgot to put the number 1 here. Okay, let's save. Let's go back to pgadmin and let's do that again. And it successfully recreated everything. Okay, now that it has successfully recreated everything and it has rebuilt it, we're gonna right click on public and refresh. And if we go down here, we're gonna see types. Account type has been recreated and the tables have been recreated as well. And if we check the inventory, if we view entity data all rows, we're gonna be able to see everything. Okay, and that's the end of it. Thank you.